Hello guys, today we are talking about how to make a boost server in Discord. This may be your first time using Discord and you don't know how to do it. Today we're gonna show you this. You can support your favorite server on Discord by giving it a boost. For what you'll get a badge next to your member's name, a shiny badge in your profile and much more. And Boost gives servers improved voice quality, increased download size, and more. In order for you to boost a server, you must be subscribed to it. Go into Discord, choose a server, click on the three dots at the top, and here click on Boost. Select the level what we want to get for the boost and press the button Give the boost. What is all. If you're wondering how to make a boost server in Discord, this is the easiest way. Now, if you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.